Well, even though I've had shingles and it's miserable, if you haven't got the shot and you're over 65, get the shot. Trust me on this, because otherwise you're just absolutely miserable, even with antibiotics. So much for my health concern for the moment. This is a Weston 785 industrial circuit tester. I know that because that's what it says. So this has got 8 RGBs, one in each of the pins where the leads would have pinned in. As you can see, the little dots around the corners. Instead, they have color coming out of them instead of pins going into them. Full set of instructions in case you want to figure out how this was once used, which is right up there, held in by little brass corners that are just neat. I'm going to have my wife drop it down. She did a wonderful job refinishing the case. You could put this in a living room or wherever. This is the clock, the clock. The 785 is made out of quarter sawn oak, and it's just beautiful. The back, turn it around so we can see the back.
How about the corner?
There's the corners. There's the back.
Okay.
And the top is removable. There's the back. And you see down at the corner, that's where the plug goes in for the power. So turn it back around. So you can either run this like it is. Well, you can't run it like it is because you can't see anything. But you don't have to have put the lid up. You don't have to have the lid up. The lid removes if you want to remove the lid. It simply slides to the left, and there you go. It's all out of the way. Now, instead of adding a switch, I use this switch to turn off all the RGBs except the ones that are in the tubes beside the clock displays. And my only answer is I was so tired by the time I got to that point, I just wanted to be done. If you want to tear it apart, have at it. These are the 4 screws. This one down here, and that one. The 4 silver Phillips screws are the ones that you have to take out in order to remove the battery and take the battery out. But that's like in 3 years. We forgot to put this in at the beginning, so now we're putting it in right now. If you want to get in touch with me, especially as big as this thing is, and save yourself some shipping and some cost, you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink. So there is your opportunity right there. Take it away. And we'll turn the lights back on. There we go. So there it is in all of its gorgeousness. And you back up and there's the whole deal. So get a tape measure and let's measure some stuff here. Measure the bottom box by itself.
Okay.
So we are 13. How tall? Just the bottom box. 13 by 13. How tall for the whole thing? Well, 26 probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, 25, 26. So, but when we ship it, this part will be laying down over the face of it, so there's nothing that the U.S. Postal Service, I shouldn't say that out loud, because you never know about the Postal Service. Theoretically, it'll have a whole bunch of stuff that it's got to go through in order to mess it up. So thank you for your time. I know that this one's a little long, but it's because this has taken me almost a week and a half to build. It's been a big job, but I think it's worth it, and I hope you do too. Thank you very much.